Good morning. Oh, it's afternoon.
Hello everybody. It was morning, but it's now afternoon. And this is Ian Truelove of Truelove Quilts for You. And I'd like to introduce you to my co-host of the day. Instead of having a photograph, I've actually got a giggling lady beside me.
Hi everybody, it's Jean here.
And I just said, oh, I think we colour coordinate, that we've independently got dressed. And she says, what are you talking about?
What are you talking about? We don't color coordinate. I'm in yellow and hot pink and black, and you're in
but that
purple.
colour,
and we don't color coordinate.
that colour's a bit...
There's a little tiny splash of purple.
Oh, but I see it. I see the splash.
He's so good. Hi everybody, this is Jean. I would love to say I'm better, but I'm going to say I'm still not very well. I've spent a month of July of 2023 pretty much not feeling very well with everything.
And it's not just that we are a little older. We're not old.
Yeah, we're not old.
Just a little older. It's not just that, because other friends also, even middle-aged or younger ones,
and my dear husband
have been struggling.
Have been struggling.
Ever since that rotten big C word of a couple of years ago, which still is around, there are strange viruses that are being described and suffered from, and it's a horrible thing anyway. Anyway,
my dear Ian, who's done such an incredible job with Maxwell, I appreciate it so much, has not been well either, not quite as bad, virusy and the effects of.
No graphic details.
No graphic details. I was going to say they probably want to hear graphic details, but
well, no graphic details, but the after effects are that I'm down 15 pounds.
My husband has lost 15 pounds. I've probably gained 15 pounds. No. That's how it goes. Oh, I have a nice chest.
No, you haven't. You do.
I do have a nice chest.
Just a minute.
Just a minute. My chest is fine. I've had blood work taken last week, and this is on Sunday. Well, I've put that up. I'll probably edit the video as best I can. Maxwell is out there. He says hello. I had blood work done, and I still have an elevated blood count, whatever, white cell count, which means I'm still fighting an infection actually, and some other things have appeared on my blood work. I'm going to a cardiologist on, what was the day?
It's the 18th, but we're trying to get a cancellation in advance. It's too far away.
Yeah, the 18th.
2 weeks away from now.
Yeah, 2 weeks away. We just wanted to come on. I just wanted to say hello to everybody, and again, profusely thank you for your thousands of comments and your prayers and your well wishes, which now should include Ian. Maxwell is okay. You were concerned about his cough. That was just a tickle in his throat. He's absolutely fine.
Strong as an ox.
Yeah, he is strong. We appreciate the views, and I never say that. I've gotten a whole bunch of new subscribers, and I've never said that again, but since I'm not working my channel, and I don't know when I will be back, actually, because I was saying to Ian the other day, I've completely lost my creative drive. Obviously, it has something to do with this illness. And my husband is encouraging me to just take it steady. I have been resting, and I'm trying to do some exercises. You know, I lead a fairly inactive lifestyle, although up and down stairs. We have a 2-story home. I try, but I've been trying to keep moving a little bit, but I'm just so exhausted. I just slept 14 hours, which is not like me. And I could go back to bed right now. So the fatigue, that's all. Again.
What?
Well, we're a bit of a mess. We're a bit pathetic. We're a bit pathetic.
But we have a laugh.
But we have a laugh, yeah. We have had a laugh. And
as we see each other running in different directions for various things. No description available.
He's been running. Aw. Aw. You poor thing. I'm sorry.
But at least it's meant
that he's lost weight.
I've lost weight.
Shut up! Stop rubbing that in. I've not lost a pound. I should have done.
But one of our kids gave us a water filter.
Oh yes.
We drink a lot of water.
We drink a lot of water anyway.
And this water filter, without naming names, is in fact the big beaker of it is over there.
Yeah.
I've drunk in the last 12 hours many glasses of that water, and it's definitely making me move better. No puns intended.
We don't wish to know that, darling.
Yes, I'm a bit fed up. 2 weeks of this.
Yeah, he's had 2 weeks.
Independent of Jean's symptoms and ailments. So it's a blasted nuisance. It really is. I want to get back on my bike. I love bike riding.
Yeah.
And
I'm not getting back on my bike. Oh, your observation about when I fell off my bike was, yes, the ground was uneven. Yes, I stumbled with my silly shoes. But when I think about it, I was feeling slightly, not dizzy, but you said, you know, maybe disoriented.
I could tell Jean was so keen to do something to help her in her malaise.
Yeah. Because I was feeling just slightly not well.
She was trying desperately to do something that was going to be positive, and she was standing in a gully out on our driveway where rainwater can go along the gully and down the hill from where we live, and the bike was higher up, and she went to put a leg over and she was unbalanced, let alone discombobulated.
I was discombobulated.
Keep those out of it.
I'll get the picture. The last video, Ian thought it would be lovely to have a really nice picture of me. I'm like, I'm not dead yet. And Maxwell said that. I was watching the video. I just had to laugh so much. That is a nice picture of me. I did put on lipstick. I did put on a little bit of makeup. So and I would love to say, oh, I'm feeling so much better, everybody, but I'm not. I have a doctor's appointment on Monday, 9:30. We'll give you an update. It's very, very depressing because we're very pathetic, and people come to be upbuilt and, you know, to enjoy my channel for whatever it was and have a laugh, but we're not at that point yet, folks.
It's interesting looking at the camera, or this Canon camera has above it a small screen where we look at ourselves.
We can watch ourselves.
We can watch ourselves being filmed, and when I held up that picture of Jean, it recognized Jean and has put around her face a square.
Oh,
it's still on there right now.
Oh, it has.
Big Brother is watching us.
Yes, yeah, they are. They're listening to us. Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh well.
They're going to get a lot of elucidation by listening to us.
Oh yeah, I know so much. We have so many pearls of wisdom to impart to people.
But some things that, if I'm up to it in the next couple of days, things I've said on the previous videos I've been involved in that I'd like to mention. I haven't forgotten Jean's cathedral window quilt. What's it called?
That's it. Yeah, my cathedral
window quilt. When Jean described to me what she did those few years ago in constructing that, it is impressive. The number of components that go into the making of that quilt, and the methodology is, to me, quite notable. It's an achievement. Don't pat my...
I know, don't pat it.
Pat my belly. It's disappearing.
It's disappearing. It's disappearing.
So there's less to pat now.
There is.
I can't eat my dinner off the shelf anymore.
Yeah.
It's gone.
Oh, he's
no,
done
it's
such
going
a,
anyway.
He's done such a
But
brilliant job.
I want to talk about that quilt.
Okay.
And also, I am reading the comments.
Yes.
They're so impressive.
Ah.
Perhaps I don't read them all, but I spent some time.
I do.
On a couple of occasions. Gina got me going, and there are subjects brought up by you lovely ladies and some of you gentlemen. In fact, a husband of one of you quilting ladies mentioned that he really loves sailing.
Oh yes.
And
That's
I
how
will talk about sailing, because when I was very young, a teenager, I had a love of sailing. I had a little sailing dinghy in England, sailed in the Lake District and even in the English Channel. Very, very dangerous out in the sea, because it was only, what, 13'6" long or something.
That's like the size of this room. And you were in the English Channel?
So, sailing with
That's
a
where our kids
I've got
get
some
their...
very funny stories of that, but some of my kids must have been listening, because all of them like boats.
Yeah, they all have boats and like boats.
Several of them have boats,
yeah.
And son number 4, Dominic,
Yeah.
and his wife, we have some amazing adventures to recount and videos to show you if you're interested. So we'll put that together in the next few days as our energy allows.
As our energy allows.
We have a few chores to go out and do right now, and we're going to go in our lovely
25-year-old Cadillac.
25-year-old Cadillac.
with
It's
44,000 original miles on it.
It is a fantastic. What is it? A Cadillac DeVille.
A Cadillac DeVille. Yeah.
And when you look at the front of it,
What Ian loves my Cadillac. I love my Cadillac.
Jumps out at me is the combination of the chrome and gold.
Yeah, it's real pretty.
It looks so regal. In fact, I think King Charles would be jealous.
Oh, Ian loves my Cadillac. Being an Englishman,
Well,
don't have
all
Cadillacs
of the bumps,
in England.
All of the potholes.
It's like an old man car.
Get smoothed out by the lovely suspension. So you're sitting there, you just.
It's like an armchair. Yeah, it's like it's like you see old men. With all due respect, older men
maybe older,
driving these big old cars like a Buick LeSabre and a Lincoln Town car and a Cadillac. You see all these old, because it's so very comfortable. It really is. It's a nice car. So we're going to go out. That's a long. So we're going to go out. I have to go actually and get some up to the pharmacy. Whatever. We're not pill takers, and all of a sudden, we are. But anyway, this has gone on long enough. Maxwell sends his love. I send all my love to you guys, and your just my off the charts appreciation for all of your lovely comments. Please continue watching, because he has got. I'm telling you.
Excuse me.
No. Oh, sorry. What are you? No. What are you doing? What are you doing? What the heck are you doing?
Strange things.
You're doing strange things.
Here's one of the beautiful quilts my wife has made.
Oh, Ian, you're so kind.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Wish I could show you it all, perhaps another time. And but we've got so many quilts that are superb. Jean's given out literally hundreds of quilts as gifts to family and friends. Yeah. She said at one time she'd like to make a quilt if life allowed, and that would have to be long life. She'd like to give a quilt to
every
all of
person.
Yeah.
To every person.
Friends and loved ones.
Friends and loved ones.
Living here on this beautiful earth.
Yeah.
So
anyway, that was sort of just random. Thank you very much, Ian. And again, thank you so very much for everything. I do believe that Ian Truelove is going to have his next channel, Ian and Maxwell, because they got so many views. I'm like, what am I, chopped liver?
Yeah,
everybody's like watching
you. The internet, nor will Maxwell. Well, we'll probably
you
be
are
like
stars.
Asteroids of the
You're stars. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Okay, well, love your comments. Keep them coming.
Yeah. Oh, and I wanted to do something big for 50,000 subscribers. Go figure. I have 50,350, I believe, as of today. So unbelievable. Thank you so much for all you new people, because you have tuned in because of this guy sitting here, two guys sitting here in a room full of fabric. A couple people said, what in the world is that?
I've lived with it for decades now, and I love it, quite frankly. You walk in this room, the colours, the sunshine, the happiness in this room is just contagious.
Yeah, it is.
It gives you a lift, even if you're ill, which has been our case for the last couple of weeks. And there's so many interesting things for you husbands of you quilting ladies that we can talk about.
Okay.
Traveled the world.
He has traveled the world.
Had a bit of experience in life.
There's a lot of stories.
And
this is another story.
We want to hear your stories as well.
Yeah.
And maybe we can expand on them and add to your life's experience. So perhaps we'll do that, my Maxwell and I, a little bit.
That's very philosophically weird.
Isn't it good? Well, that's me, philosophically weird.
He's philosophically weird.
Ian Truelove.
Ian Truelove.
Weirdo.
What would be your channel name? Suggestions, comment below. What would Ian and Maxwell's channel name be? Because I think people would tune into you more so than me. I'm like, whatever.
Well, I'll have you as a guest star.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Ghost. Signing off from co-host Jean and the star of the show, Mr. Ian Truelove.
Bye-bye, folks.
Bye-bye, everybody. We love you.
Love you.
Love from the Trueloves.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.